you will see.
Let me introduce you to a stupid Chinese filthy teacher, and he is teaching about Gaza. Please listen. I mean, at least go learn how to speak English, you idiot. I don't know who is the donkey who made you a teacher. Tell us what's happening in Chinese scholar. He's a Chinese scholar. And the title is There is no exit for Israel. Tell us, tell us. Go, go.
Worst thing you can do in modern society, killing children, guys. Right?
Yeah, right, right. I mean, you are a Chinese, and the government of China are number one killing Chinese babies in the world. In fact, when a woman she gave birth to one baby, they force her to take her womb. You are a person who defend communism and socialism, and they are number one people in the world who celebrate abortion and they call it their right. And you are talking about Israel killing babies, killing children. Children of who? So your faith is come back when the Muslims attack Israel and kill their babies, they are not killing babies because Israeli babies are born, growing, adult. But if Israelis shoot back at Hamas and they are hiding behind so-called babies, they are killing babies. Tell us more, tell us more.
So there's no exit for Israel. You either go all the way or the world comes and destroys you anyway.
So are you saying they have no choice but to kill babies? So are you saying you're stupid that you are forcing them to kill the babies? Because they have no choice.
And in fact, what's really interesting is that if you go online, you will see Israelis go around the world and causing trouble everywhere. They're going to start fights. They shout death to the Arabs on public.
Just stupid. See how faithless scumbag you are. It is them who suffer wherever they go. Scumbag like you target them. So they are not going to have fight with you. It's you who chase them, and you are the one. You know, we saw how many, as an example, when a bunch of Israeli Jews they were going to Russia. Muslims in Russia and Kazakhstan, Dagestan, sorry, by thousands they stormed the airport. So the Israeli they went there in the airport and they were fighting, shouting death to the Arab. Really? But there is no Arab there. I mean, look how satanic evil, and he's talking like a girl, you know, you know the thing. Where is the rainbow? Continue.
Buses in the Western world. It's intentional. They want to unite themselves by dividing the world, by angering the.
So if they shout in the bus according to you, they are ending the world? Oh man, that's deep. So the world will not be ended by nukes. It's by a Jew. He shout in the bus. I want to know who is the scumbag gave you the job. Listen carefully again. How they are ending the world? They shout in the bus. Intentionally.
Death to the Arabs on public buses in the Western world. It's intentional. They want to unite themselves by dividing the world, by angering the.
Look at the plan. So a Jew, he go in a bus in the Western world and he shout death to the Arab. And by doing that, he united the Israeli. And then the world ended. There's a guy, his name is a Christian Prince. He said, stupidity is amazing. Are you sure you're Chinese? Like, I know that Chinese are smart, but you sound like the most dumbest, stupid idiot. Donkey. See ya. Leave your comment and salute this donkey, please. They have to blame the Jews for everything. Even the Chinese, they will end the world, brother. The Jews, they will end the world. How they shout in the bus there to the Arab. You see, the Pakistan, the Bangladesh, the Arab, the Muslim around the world, they shout death to the Jews. It's okay. But if a Jew ever say that, he is ending the world. You stupid, filthy son of Muta. Phew! At your face. Disgusting creature.